It's story time, it's story time.
Es hora de el cuento.
It's story time, it's story time.
Es hora de el cuento.
Hi, welcome to Craft Day. My name is Miss Sharon.
And I'm Miss Bev. On Monday we read 2 books about 10 rubber duckies.
If you missed the stories or would like to hear them again, please click on the link in the description.
Today we're going to get started with making a duck pond out of Play-Doh. You will need blue, green, and yellow Play-Doh. Yellow if you want to make some more ducks. You will need some rubber ducks, some stones, and a tray. Okay, let's get started, Miss Sharon, in making our duck pond.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to start with the grass. You go ahead and make the pond.
That was fun making a duck pond. Now let's make a treat we can eat. Jell-O rubber ducky bathtub cups.
Yum, that's my kind of craft. That sounds like fun.
You will need 2 cups of boiling water, a 1 3-ounce package of Jell-O berry blue flavor gelatin, half a cup of thawed Cool Whip whipped topping, and you can add some mini marshmallows if you want to. Add the boiling water to the gelatin mix in a medium bowl. Stir it for 2 minutes until completely dissolved. Add the Cool Whip and stir until the Cool Whip is completely melted and the mixture is well blended. Pour it into glasses or dessert dishes. Refrigerate for 4 hours or until firm. Add the rubber duckies and top with marshmallows. Enjoy!
We hope you enjoyed our rubber ducky activities today.
Join us tomorrow for our rubber ducky STEM project.
Goodbye.